What is the best content creating company? HEROTOWN, we make the best content. And as you can see, we are working so hard. From June 2016 to October 2019, our company has grown impressively. Here's some of our advantages. We generate the best content for you. Our history. How it all began. In 2016, we started with a food photographer matching platform. 2017, we expand our business to all categories, including videography. 2018, now we make the best content with a photography, design, and editing team. 2019, we're one of the leading content creating startups in Korea. 2020, we will start an influencer matching platform with AI. We're going all around the world. What else can we do? We make business plans for you. We have a lot of influencers with more business opportunities. And we save your data. Now, let me introduce our great team. Here's some of our portfolio. Photography and video, design, and marketing. HEROTOWN, the world's best content creators.